Aloha and welcome to Wisdom Dialogues with Hope Johnson, coming to you from Hawaiian beaches on the beautiful big island of Hawaii. They're getting it. That other person is getting it, but I'm not getting it. That other person is getting it, but I'm not getting it. That could be anything. They could be getting their spiritual wisdom. They can be getting their dream career. They can be getting their man. They can be getting their fit body. They're getting it, and where's mine? That's a really common guilty trick of the ego. Like as if there is someone else. All you see is images cast from your own mind. And anything you see another person getting, you're not even seeing them clearly. They've already got it, just like you do. All the feelings, all the upset feelings, everything that we call everything, that stems from a guilty feeling. And that guilty feeling makes fear and all these other things that come from fear. Jealousy, same thing. It's a guilty feeling. It's like you're not deserving of something. And it's like, except for punishment. That's the only thing. The guilty feeling just sets you up for thinking that you're only deserving of punishment and not deserving. Whenever you see someone else and it seems like you should be there, like you should be at that place where that other person is, that's just like a projected thought to get you to feel guilty, to get you to buy in, to get you to feel guilty. That's what the ego's world is all about. It's all to try to get this guilty feeling, bring up this guilty feeling. Even our whole systems, even how our systems are set up, it's just all a manifestation of this idea that we separated ourselves from source, and now we deserve punishment. It's like you can always get it wrong. That's why it's for laughing at. It's for laughing at when you see someone and it seems like they're doing better than you or worse than you. That's the same thing too. Like feeling proud or consoling yourself, making yourself feel better because at least you're not as bad off as they are.